Welcome to Getaway RV and Marine, and here's a walkthrough video of one of our great RVs. Family-owned Getaway RV and Marine has something for everyone, from small trailers towable by the family SUV to large destination trailers and everything in between. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff with years of experience when it comes to outdoor adventures. You'll find competitive pricing, family values, and hassle-free camping when you shop with Getaway RV and Marine. So come see us today and let us help you and your family find the RV that is right for you.